Hey guys, hope you are good. So today I'm gonna teach you parallel resistance. And I know once you understand the basics, you will easily understand the upcoming topics. So, parallel resistance. So let me first make a diagram. So this is a point A having several resistances in parallel, and this is point B. So this is current I1, I2, I3 up to IN. These are resistances R1, R2, R3 and Rn. So let me give you brief about the last topic that we have done. So we have done I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 up to IN, and we know that V equal to IR implies I is equal to V upon R, and using this formula we can also write it like this is AB, VAB upon RAB is equal to VAB upon R1 plus VAB upon R2 plus VAB upon R3 up to VAB upon Rn. So this is the modified version of this equation. Now coming to our today's topic, that is parallel resistance. So in parallel resistance we have to find resistance in this way, 1 upon R AB. I'm directly giving you formula, gentlemen, else it's a long derivation. 1 upon RAB is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 up to 1 upon Rn. And now I'm gonna give you two cases of this equation which will easily decrease the time of your solving the question. So case number 1, when two resistances are equal and you have only two resistance, you have only two resistance, and I will clear this point when we solve the question. So in this case our equation gets converted into 1 upon RAB is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 implies 1 upon RAB is equal to R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2 implies our RAB is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So this is the point to be remembered. And now moving towards our case number 2. So case 2, when all resistances are equal, then our equation gets converted into RAB is equal to R upon N. Now let me give you example of all these conditions. So first of all, if our question is like that, this is the point A. I'm just giving you simple questions in today's class, but in our coming class we will solve more complex questions. So this is point B, and this is a 3 ohm resistance and this is a 4 ohm resistance. So this condition is not following our case number 1 as well as case number 2. So in this case we have to use our normal formula, that is R equivalent 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 7 upon 12. implies R equivalent is equal to 12 upon 7. Okay, now example case number 1. Okay, this is our circuit A point. This is a 2 ohm resistor. This is also a 2 ohm resistor. Then our RAB is equal to R1 R2 means 2 into 2 upon R1 plus R2, that is 2 plus 2 4. So we will get 1 ohm. Now example of case number 2. This is our point number A. This is a 3 ohm resistor. This is a 3 ohm resistor, and this is also a 3 ohm resistor. This is point B. So according to our formula, RAB is equal to R, that is 3, upon number, that is 3, 1 2 3 3. So our R equivalent becomes 1 ohm. And if you solve this question from the basic formula, you will then also get 1 ohm resistance. So this is all about this topic, gentlemen. Hope you understand this concept. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share among your friends. If you have any suggestion and want any separate topic to be discussed here, do comment below. In our next video, we will solve more questions on series and parallel resistances. Thank you.